Hey everyone, welcome back to HCube, and today we're gonna unbox and overview this beautiful Montech King 95 Pro PC case. This is beautiful PC case, and actually I will be honest with you, I tried to open it. I opened it, I took a look, and when I was trying to put it back, it has some sponges, some black things. It was harder to put it back. Well, obviously because I was trying to put it in wrong position, but I was forcing it with my hands, with my legs. It was taking so long, but I put it. Then I thought, oh, maybe I put it wrongly. So I tried to take it out again with force, with hands and legs and everything. And then I realized that, yeah, I was putting it wrong. And then I put it correctly, but the point is, even under all of this force, I really thought that I will break the case or I will break the box because it was very, very hard. But even under all of this force, it didn't break. Nothing went wrong. And it's very strong, very durable, very gorgeous PC case. And we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna look how is it. And I'm gonna continue my PC build. Let's jump into it. There's a huge, it's very firm protection from both sides. This is very good packaging, and it has separate box, and we have inside that box some other stuff. You may guess from picture. We will open this a little later. Let's firstly take off these firm protection things. Has very beautiful top. I know that it's not only about beauty. This pattern has some other purposes as well. Probably for simple eye, I would say it's very beautiful. This is top of it. This is how it looks. Sides. This is Pro version. It has two versions, this Montech. There is King 65, I guess, and that 65 doesn't have this curvature, that has square angle, but this 95 has this curvature, and 95 Pro has this RGB fans, and it's dual chamber. Here we keep motherboard and graphic cards and everything, all parts, and we're hiding everything on back. That's why it's called dual chamber. It's two sides. In one side you're hiding all of your cables. I want to show you from bottom as well how it looks. Can take this off. Yes, there is one downside that you can take this filter only from back, not from front or not from sides, only from back. Corners are nice rubbers. This bottom side actually was important for me as well, because I'm going to mount this PC case under the desk. I wanted to see how it looks from bottom, so that thing will hold this case properly, because some cases have some attachments, some different angles on bottom side or some different legs, so there is usually no comfortable place for that holder thing, for that attachment to hold the PC case under desk. These buttons, not on very top, not on down, it's somewhere in between, and it's on front. Because if you are putting your PC under your desk, if buttons will be on this side, it will be very uncomfortable for you. After a while, you will just push this press button with your feet, with your toes. It's not nice, it's not beautiful, it's weird. Maybe not weird, but it's lazy and it makes everything dirty. It's not nice. But when it's somewhere on the top part, on upper part, it's comfortable to do it. When buttons are in this part, buttons, I don't know, USB or other stuff on upper part, on this top side, it's also very uncomfortable if it's under your PC, because you will need to push your hand between PC and between the desktop itself. It's gonna be very uncomfortable. So this position is really perfect. Let's see how it looks from top. I think this top is should be easily, yeah, attachable. There's really nothing holding on that. It stands very good. There is not any wiggling. It's very sturdy. So yeah, you can put here your AIO. We can open this side for it. You can open it from the back. Oh, look, I didn't notice. Screws has also one tiny rubber. This rubber is for not scratching the case itself. Tiny things are, it's really good to see how to take off. Maybe I will find out by myself. Oh, yes, took out your panel. Yes, just need to pull it and something on downside of it. Okay, just so okay, I got it. You pull it little and then you lift it up. Look at the curvature. It's very strong glass. And look at this. It's very sturdy, it doesn't fall, it doesn't wiggle. You just see it. It stands how it's supposed to be. This side also is very interesting. So what you can do, this box contains some extra stuff. I wouldn't say that this packaging feels very premium, because this product actually, with its price, it's not premium, it's very good budget. So packaging also, it doesn't feel very cheap or very bad. It's not bad at all, but it doesn't give you that premium feeling. But it's still very nice. It's even nicer than some other premium brands, how they're doing their packaging. Look, has these things, all screws what you need, cable management, very nice box. Has a manual. I will probably read this later on, just in case. And look, I was putting here in this box and nothing changed. It perfectly holds it. This is for fans for different sizes of AIO. Mesh panel. And this is all comes in one product. You don't need to buy this stuff separately. Well, yeah, if you will buy Montech King 95, it will come without fans. I did some calculation and these fans are coming for very good price in this whole package. I recommend you, if you don't have fans, then better buy Pro version. It's much better than buying 95 and then separately buying fans. This comes in a box anyway. So what's the point of this panel? If you don't like fish tank and you want to put it on front and take air from front as well, then what you can do, you can open this, try again some screws. Oh, these are a little stronger.
Doesn't have that rubber here.
Little lose it. So yeah, you're opening these ones, and then what you have here. You can turn this one. Hey, I guess we're gonna open these ones as well. So you can move this thing. It's on double hinge. You're moving this. You should put screw here, and that's it. Now you have fan on front side. Then you need to put back this fan. And then we're taking this thing and same way how you took the glass one, we are putting it back. We have now mesh front and also fans on front, so it's gonna be this setup if you don't like fish tank. But I want to say you the conclusion what I made from different videos which I watched, where they're comparing this airflow with this and with fish tank version, it really doesn't make big difference really. So if you love fish tank, make it as fish tank. If you like when there's a mesh panel on front, make it in this way. By airflow, as I made conclusion, doesn't make big difference. Now we're gonna put our motherboard. Let's firstly check manual just in case maybe there is something important. Okay, there are instructions about how to open it, about what sizes of radiators you can put here. You can put here AIO in different setups, by the way. Doesn't limit you for only one position. Okay, there is nothing really. We need to take off this. Nice. Okay, yeah. I just needed to slide it into. I'm always a little afraid of any scratches or something, you know. We have here stand, HDD screw, SSD screw, MB standoff removal tool, motherboard, I think yeah, MB, SSD, and motherboard screw, fan screw. This is what we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. We don't wanna lose these screws, right? We might need them later on. Firstly, we're just putting them a little bit, not till the end, okay? Because We are not sure yet if all these holes are perfectly aligned. Just need to make it a little bit, then we will screw them till the end. You don't need to over tighten them. If your screwdriver jumps a little bit once, probably it means it's enough. Yeah. And this was our motherboard installation. We will continue with PC build, and in next video we will unbox our AIO and put this thing together. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and you learned something. Don't forget to put like, write your comments under video, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.